Joining me now to discuss what you need to do before you leave your house in a wildfire or any fire-prompted evacuation is lawyer Nainesh Kotak, founder of Kotak Personal Injury Law. Thank you for your time today.
Thank you for having me.
When we look at the legal side and protection, what is the most common mistake many people make while evacuating their homes during devastating fires?
Right, I think it would even start before the evacuation you need to ensure that you have proper coverage for the replacement value of the home in addition to your valuables. In terms of what to do, obviously, I think the right things would be to gather your insurance policies, your passports, to important valuables, have them ready to go when you're told to leave. There are some insurance obligations that are going to occur. For example, if you happen to be purchasing a home that is now threatened by wildfire, you may not get insurance. So you got to make sure that as part of your agreement of purchase and sale that you would have a condition to get out of the deal in case you don't get insurance. And similarly, if you're selling, don't lift your insurance policy until your sale is actually completed. Make sure you have enough what's called additional living expense coverage, because you may not know how long you're going to be out of the home, and most insurance policies will in fact have a cap to your living expenses that they would cover in your absence.
How can people better prepare to leave before an evacuation is ordered?
Yeah, I think you're going to know it's coming, right? I mean, these fires are around. I think just getting that suitcase ready, whether it's the essentials, your medications, your passport, your insurance policies, your anything that you may need to prove your loss as well. So I would suggest, look, there may be things you can't take with you, obviously. So take pictures of your valuables. If you have a wine collection, whatever it may be, take pictures, keep those receipts with you, because once, if your home is damaged and you can't go back, there's going to be a rebuild. You're going to have to file what's called a proof of loss claim, and you're going to have to list there, what you lost and the approximate value. So to make things easier, I would say just prepare that documentation in advance, if you certainly have time, and obviously follow the orders of the appropriate authorities in terms of when you must leave.
What fire laws benefits are entitled to homeowners, and does the same apply for those in apartments?
Yeah, so most homeowner insurance policies do have fire coverage for the replacement value of your home. Now, this may change in the future. If we certainly, we saw that in California. I think with one of the insurers, State Farm, they not renewing policies there, right? So it could happen here, and then may end up turning into some sort of public insurance system for that. But right now, there is coverage for replacement, and the insurance companies would be, I would hope, honoring their obligations. For apartments, most of the time, you'd have tenant insurance, right? And you should have that because you may have valuables. You may not own the apartment. If you do, you'll have condo insurance. But let's say you don't. It's a good idea to have that personal tenant insurance, because you may lose your valuables as well, and those could be quite costly.
Well, thank you for your time today, Nainesh Kotak. Thank you, lawyer and founder of Kotak Personal Injury Law.
My pleasure.